everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if ChatGPT image history is not clearing. So if your ChatGPT image history isn't clearing, it's usually due to a sync delay, cache data, or confusion between deleting a chat and deleting a generated image. So here's how to fix that. So first is to refresh ChatGPT. So after deleting a chat, refresh the web page or close and reopen it. So click this reload button to reload the page. Then wait a few minutes for your changes to sync across devices. Next is to clear cache. So click the three dots in the top right corner. Then from here, scroll down and go to settings. Next, on the left sidebar, go to privacy and security, then go to delete browsing data. Now at the top, you can choose a time frame. Then at the bottom, make sure you track cache images and files and cookies and other site data. Then scroll down and click this delete data button right here. So once you click that, go back to ChatGPT, reload the page, and see if that works. Next is to sign out and sign back in. So logging out and back into your account can force ChatGPT to refresh your conversation history. So to log out, click your profile in the bottom left corner, then click log out. So once you log out, sign back in, reload the page, then try if that works. Next is to check your internet connection. So go to the bottom and click Wi Fi. Then make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. So a poor connection can prevent deletion requests from syncing properly. So ensure you're connected to a stable network before trying again. You can also use another or connect to another network. You can turn this off for 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it back on and see if that works. Or you can also try to use data, and that's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.